Hello friends, welcome back to the channel Learn with Art. Now next we will see the code for searching an element in a singly linked list. Okay, so the node structure is same as previous, that is it contains two parts, data and next. So the structure name is node data and the pointer field is named as next. Okay, now here I have taken search as the function name which takes one parameter, that is int value. So this parameter will be taken from the main function and that value is nothing but the element which we want to search in the given list. Okay, so here I have passed as a parameter to this search function. So now for that searching or comparing with the element, we will take one extra pointer named as current and we will assign it with head node. Okay, so I have copied here the value of head in the current node. Here current will act as a temporary node to move from first node to second node to third node up to the end of the list or up to the point where we can get the required node. Okay, so I have taken extra pointer, that is temporary pointer, that is current. Okay, and first I have copied the value of head in the current because we have to start searching an element from the head node and head is the start of the linked list. Okay, suppose consider this is our linked list, so this is the head node. Okay, so now we will start to search the given element from head of the linked list. Okay, so now we will consider the value as 30. So we will take value as 30, means we want to search an element 30 from the given list. Okay, so struct node star current is equal to head. Okay, now we have to update the current if we don't get the element, and whenever we will get the element then we have to just return that element. Okay, so while current not equal to null means whenever we don't get the value of current as null, up to that point we have to do the below task. Okay, so I have mentioned here the condition, that is while current is not equal to null, we have to perform the task that is mentioned in this loop. Okay, so what is that task? What we want to repeat it? So if current tends to data is equal to value, if we found the value of the current node is equal to the searching element, then we have to just return that element, that is we will return as current. Okay, so if we found the element. Okay, so suppose we are now at this point. Okay, so this is our first current. Okay, and the value is equal to what? Value is 30. Okay, so now while current is not equal to null, so current का जो नेक्स्ट है वो करंट तो अभी नल है नहीं, क्योंकि करंट में क्या वैल्यू है, इस नोड की वैल्यू है, तो करंट अभी नल है नहीं. ओके, सो this is satisfying the condition. Okay, so it will go inside the loop. Okay, now it will check that if current tends to data is equal to value, so we will check that current tends to data. So current के data part में जो है is it equal to value? So its 10 is not equal to 30, so it does not follow this condition, so it will come out of the if condition. And what will be the next statement? So now we have to update the करंट. सो ये तो अभी जो रिक्वायर्ड एलिमेंट था वो है नहीं, तो हमें करंट अपडेट करना है कि करंट विल बी द नेक्स्ट नोड. ओके, सो हाउ वी कैन अपडेट द करंट नोड? सो करंट इज इक्वल टू करंट टेंस टू नेक्स्ट, मीन्स व्हाट, अभी का जो करंट है उसका जो नेक्स्ट है, मतलब अभी का ये करंट है, इसका नेक्स्ट क्या है, नेक्स्ट में इसकी वैल्यू है, तो इस ये वाला नोड जो रहेगा दैट विल बी द नेक्स्ट करंट. ओके, बिकॉज वी आर कॉपिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस टू दिस. ओके, सो at the right hand side we have the current tends to next. So current tends to next is equal to what? This node, and I'll copy this node in the current value. Okay, so now my current will be this node. Okay, so I have updated the current as 20 node. Okay, so now again it will go to while for checking condition. Current is not equal to null, so अभी तो current है नहीं null. Okay, so it will go inside the loop. Again it will check for the if condition, that is current tends to data is equal to value. So current के data में जो value है वो 30 है क्या? So value is equal to what? value की कॉस्ट कितनी अभी 30 है. सो इट डज नॉट इक्वल टू 30 बिकॉज current tends to data is equal to what? 20. It is 20 now. So 20 is not equal to 30. So it will come out of if, and again it will update the current as current tends to next is equal to current. Okay, so again it will update that. Now my next current will be 30. Okay, so again my current is updated and it will go to check the condition of while loop. So current not equal to null. अभी तो current मेरा null है नहीं. Okay, so what will happen? So it will go inside the loop. Now current tends to data. Current tends to data is what? 30 is equal to value. Value की भी value कितनी है? तो 30 है. So 30 is equal to 30. So it will return the current node. Okay, so अभी क्या करेगा ये? current node return करेगा. Suppose you want to print that we will got the node, then you can add the printf statement, that is printf found node. Okay, and it will return the current node. Okay, so you can add one more statement over here. Okay, now this will return the current node, that we have received in the searching process. Suppose if we don't have, suppose this value is 50. Okay, and now we are at node 30. Okay, now what will happen? So again at this point we have to update the current. So next will be the current, next this node will be the current. Okay, and again it will get updated. Again here the condition will not get satisfied, that is 50 is not equal to 40. So again it will come out of the loop and current will get updated. It will come out of if statement and current will be updated. Now current will be null because current next में क्या है इसके? तो null है. तो now my current will be null and again it will check for the while condition. So while में क्या रहेगा? So while not equal to null, but अभी क्या है हमारा? while is equal to null है. So it will come out of the loop and it will return null because ये whole process में हमें किधर भी जो required node है वो मिला नहीं. Okay, so it will come out of the loop and it will return null. Okay, so नोड मिलेगा तो इधर रिटर्न करेगा, नोड नहीं मिलेगा तो नल इधर रिटर्न होगा. ठीक है, सो दिस इज द कोड फॉर सर्चिंग एन एलिमेंट इन द लिंक लिस्ट. ओके, होप सो यू हैव अंडरस्टूड how the conditions are executed, how the loops are processed. If you have any queries, then do comment. If you like my videos, then do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.